Jai Hind students, in this video we will learn addition, subtraction and their applications. Addition is used with a plus sign. This plus symbol is used for addition, whereas subtraction is used with a minus sign. This is the symbol of subtraction. Addition can be used to positively include anything. Whenever we have to include the things, we are using addition. Whereas subtraction can be used to take away anything. Whenever we have to take away things from the given things, we are using subtraction. Let's see what we have learned till today. When you change the order of numbers being added, the sum does not change. So the order of addition does not affect on answer. The answer in addition is called its sum. Let's see one example. Here we have two numbers, 178 and the second number is 742. In this, we will add down the numbers. Then to check the answer, we will add up. So in both the cases, the answer is same. The answer is 920. The sum of any number and 0 is that same number. Means if we add, let's say example, if we add 0 in 7, the answer is 7. Now see, when we are using addition, so when we are solving word problems and when there is word add, we are using addition. When there is word increase, whenever we have to increase, we are using addition. Plus means addition. Sum means we have to do addition. Together means we have to add, so it's addition. More, we have to do addition. So these are the words. When it comes in word problems, we have to do addition, we have to perform addition operation. Let's see example. Addition by using column method. So in this, the first number is 1076 and the second number is 386. So first let's add down. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So in that 2 will come down and 1 we will write as a carry. So 1 will go in the next place. Now let's add it. 7 plus 1 8 plus 8 16. So again 6 we will write and 1 will be carry. 1 we have to carry forward. Now 3 plus 0 plus 1 4 and in thousands place 1 as it is. So the answer is 1462. Now let's check our answer by adding up. Same way, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 8 plus 1 16, 1 we will carry to the next place. 3 plus 0 plus 1 4 and at thousands place 1 as it is. So here the answer is 1462. So by the both methods, answer is same. Let's see one more example where we are going to add three numbers at a time. So in this, at ones place 6, at first we will add down to find our answer. So 6 plus 2 plus 6 equals to 14. So 1 will be carried forward, 1 will come in the next place. Now 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried forward to the next place. Now 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8 equals to 26. So 6 will come down and 2 will go to the next place. Now 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 equals to 9. So here the answer is 9674. Let's check our answer by adding up the numbers. Let's start from the right side, that is from the ones place. So 6 plus 2 plus 6 equals to 14. 1 will go to the next place. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1 equals to 17. 7 we will write there in the answer and 1 will be carry forward to the next place. 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 26. So 6 we will write as it is and 2 will be carried to the next place. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 9. So the answer is 9674, which is same by both the ways. So this way we are using column method to do addition. Remember, the numbers you add are called addends. Remember these points. You can add numbers in any order and the sum will be the same. Means if you change the order of addition, if you change the order of numbers in addition, the answer will remain same. 0 added to any number gives the same number as the sum. Whenever you add 0 in any number, the answer is same number. Now let's revise subtraction. Any number subtracted from itself is 0. The answer in subtraction is called its difference. Means if you subtract a number from itself, then the answer is 0. For example, if you subtract 13 from 13, the answer is 0. When you subtract 0 from a number, you get the number itself. Let's see example. When you subtract 0 from 7, the answer is 7. Means here the answer is same number. Subtraction with regrouping. Let's see one example. An internet company needs to employ 3,421 people. So far, it has employed 1,732 people. How many more people does it need? To find this, we need to perform subtraction. In this, we have to subtract 1,732 from 3,421. Let's solve it by column method. Let's take our first number and second number. Let's do subtraction. So in this, we can we cannot subtract 2 from 1. So here we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. So let's cut it. 1 will remain there. Let's take 1 from 2. So there 1 will remain, and that one will come to 1's place. So this one and the one from the tens place together, it will become 11. Now 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Let's go to the next place. In this, we can't subtract 3 from 1. So again here we need help. So in this case, we need to take 1 from the hundreds place. So let's take it. We take 1 from 4, so there 3 will remain, and here in the tens place this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 3 equals to 8. Let's go to the next place. Three minus 7. So here we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So let's borrow 1 from the next place, that is 3. So there 2 will remain, and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 7 equals to 6. Let's go to the next place. So here 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the answer is 3421 minus 1732 equals to 1689. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.